Now we need to do increases to each one of them so that it'll fully form. Because right now what we've done is just this first half of this triangle. We've done to here. So now I do increases to make it bigger again. Which what we're going to do is each time you're going to E-wrap one more over. So we E-wrap this first one. Take our bottoms over the tops. And now we're on this peg. What we're going to do is this kind of fills it in more. We don't slip this. We're going to go ahead and wrap around it again and go back to the front. Well, to the first. So now we E-wrap that one. It only has one stitch on it, so we E-wrap the next one, which has two. Take those bottom loops over the top. We're going to E-wrap that one. E-wrap the next. E-wrap, E-wrap. Here's the next one with two. E-wrap it. Which I'm not going like this because if you pull it that way around, like the same way you wrap the rest, you can see how it's pulling that knot in front. So that's why I wrapped around back. Wrap it the opposite way the other one. Okay, so E-wrap, E-wrap, E-wrap. There's the next one. Okay, so go back to the first. We have one more peg with two on it. What we do is this time, oops, we're going to E-wrap just all the way to the end. And that is the completion of our first little triangle.